We know we need a visual inspection plus a reserve study. Which one should we do first? What if we can only afford to do one?
Well, we certainly recommend each association get both, really, especially if they're considering it, they're probably in need of both. Our observations are purely visual. We're looking for obvious or deferred maintenance, that kind of stuff. And in the realm of what you guys do as far as intrusive analysis and removing the siding and really getting into the nuts and bolts of things, your evaluation is going to add a lot of accuracy to our reports because, again, we are very limited. We are budget experts, not building envelope experts.
Right. One of those reports is telling you about the structural condition. The other report is talking about budgets and cash management. So yeah, that's a good distinction.